Hello classroom, my old friend. I've come to teaching you again, because a new school term has arrived. 2020 and COVID we've survived, and the lesson plan planted in my brain still remains. Without the sound of students, in empty halls I walked alone, thinking of school years I have known. Beneath the glare of hallway lights, missing all my students in the late nights, when my eyes were stabbed by the sting of sudden tears. What calmed my fears? I heard the sound of students, and in the hallway lights I saw 1,000 students, maybe more. Students walking loudly speaking, students hearing without listening, teachers writing plans that no one ever sees, with answer keys to teach the class of students. Kids said, you do not know what it is, you do not know. Hear my words that I might teach you, listen so that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the ears of students. The students all took notes and said, "You're the best teacher we've had." And here we are now, it's the morning, and the students are arriving. But the reality is different, so the dream stalls in middle school halls, lost in the sleeping sound of students.